that.
Next to a cage. You see, last time I was in a cage, I ended Chris Dynamite's Demon's career. That was a fun memory. But tonight is the last FBW Showdown of our 2019 run, and quite possibly one of the last events ever in FBW, because you see, next show is FBW Climax. And that is our last event here, possibly for a good moment, and possibly for good. But tonight is the last showdown, and I'm doing something special. Tonight, I am hosting an open challenge for my FBW Undisputed title. Now, there's a little twist to this open challenge. Last weekend, I faced Jared one-on-one in a normal no disqualification match where I defeated him, clearly. But honestly, real quick, I just want to let Jared know that throughout all of our battles and through our alliance earlier this year, I have nothing but respect for you right now. But tonight, we are going to be doing a ladder match. You see, not only do I want to pay homage to the first showdown, you see, the first showdown match was a ladder match. I mean, I lost, and to be honest, looking at it, I haven't won any ladder match, but tonight is something different. You see, tonight is the last FBW Showdown, and for the last showdown, I'm going all out, so whoever wants to face me and accept this challenge has to be ready for one hell of a match. But you see, I chose a ladder match because this is the last time I'm going to be defending my FBW Championship here on Showdown. So whoever wants to walk into the last show, Climax, as champion needs to do whatever it takes to be champion. They need to scratch and crawl and climb the ladder, where at any moment they can fall and possibly end their career. You see, I may have never won a ladder match, but I think tonight I'm going to rewrite history. You see, tonight's the last showdown, and I think one last time we got to make history. So whoever wants a piece at this most prestigious title in backyard wrestling, come and get it. I'll be out here later.
Cross my heart and hope to die. I don't need another guy to fight my battles, to overshadow me. Don't you know I'm dangerous? Fire burning in my blood. I got this handled. I don't leave you in. You can call me a princess all you like, 'cause you have to keep me out side by side. But I ain't one. I'ma show you how to treat me like a queen.
So before And granted, I actually did it from the front. So when Priscilla Claire attacked me from behind, it shows. With her attacking me from behind and me attacking her from the front and her actually being injured, it just shows how weak she truly is. You see, I am only here because this is one step of getting my title back. Because after I defeat Priscilla Claire, I'm going to be going after my title, meaning I am going to be going against ALM. And I am going to prove how weak Priscilla Claire is, and I know everyone's going to really, really hate this word, but she's pretty freaking retarded for going behind my back to take me down, because that is not going to take me down. I am going to break her ankles because I already almost did that once. Heck, if you notice, the last time when she attacked me from behind like a little weakling she is, she was limping. Yeah, I went after her ankle. So I am going to sign this, because that's what Priscilla Claire wants. And then after I defeat her, I am going to go after ALM. Now, Priscilla Claire, why don't you come on out and sign this?
Talk to me.
Oh, you want me to talk to you?
Yeah.
Well, you want to call me a weakling, and you want to sit there and say I'm not worthy? Well, guess what? You're the bigger weakling here, because you decided to attack me before our match. And because you were too scared to actually face me. You see, this is going to make it where you're going to have to face me. And you are going to have to make me get out of this cage. Because guess what? It's going to be you who loses this next match.
Wow. Took you long enough.
Shut up.
How far
Now, Priscilla Claire, why don't you come on out and sign this next match?
Wow. Took you long enough. Shut up.
Cross my heart and hope to die. I don't need another guy to fight my battles, to overshadow me. Don't you know I'm dangerous? Fire burning in my blood. I got this handled. I don't believe you. You can call me a bad bitch all you like. If you let it keep me out this fight twice. But I ain't wrong. I'ma show you. How to treat me like a queen.
Ring the bell. Oh, fuck.
Stay down.
Go.
1, 2. Do you tap? These windows.
drawing closer, reaching for each distance.
First off, I just want to say, Ruby, you did amazing. You came close. I just want to say I love you a lot, but tonight was the last FBW Showdown. And you see, over the past 13 other showdowns, this time here has been truly amazing. We had some amazing moments here. We had amazing matches, matches like me versus Chris, no holds barred, or the first ever one, the ladder match, or the me versus Jared that happened last weekend, or the first ever women's match, Ruby versus Priscilla Clare. From Showdown 1 to right now, Showdown 15, we came a long way, and I just want to say thank you, fans, for all the support you have given me and the other wrestlers throughout all of the past Showdowns. We've worked our asses off to make these Showdowns very entertaining and some of the best backyard wrestling content on YouTube today. Whether I was good, whether I was bad, I always tried my hardest to come out here and entertain you fans out there. And I just want to let you guys know before climax, if you missed any other showdowns, Showdown 1, 2, 3, whatever, definitely go check those episodes out before climax. But next weekend is climax. And Eric Danger, I'm still waiting for an answer. But guys, from the bottom of all of our hearts, I speak for all of us, thank you for all the support. Stay tuned for more content for Climax, because Climax is going to be one hell of a show. And I hope all of you guys enjoyed this showdown. But guys, thank you from the bottom part, like I said. Check out the other showdowns, and ladies and gentlemen, we'll see you guys next weekend for one hell of a Climax show. Thank you all.
Well, look who it is. Eric Danger. I guess I'll be seeing Eric Danger at Climax.